Okay, so we're going to talk about cleaning the trucks on our cars, and I chose a log car to start with, so you can see. Hopefully, if there's enough dirt on this, it'll show up. Well, so the first thing you do is you take a paper towel, put it down the track, and then crease it. Yeah, so I can do this. I've got the camera in my way, so okay. So then you got it creased, and then take your GOO GONE right there, and we're going to take and sprinkle some of this on the edge of the paper towel until it gets wet, about the width of one of the trucks. Okay, like so. And then we just hold the paper towel in place, and we take and run the truck over the GOO GONE. And I don't think this one's too dirty, but you get the idea. And you can do this for both sides. Now, I said that the GOO GONE has got a little bit of oil to it. This may take a bit too to loosen it up, and I have a hair right there. To get the crud freed up off of the trucks. But that's the way you do it, and then put it on the dry side of the paper towel, and run it across the dry side when you're done. And then you can see here. Get this in focus. You can see here the crud on that came off the trucks, and this one wasn't real dirty. But then just go ahead and push the car on into the dry side of the paper towel, and that'll wipe the oil off of the trucks, and you're good to go. Pretty simple process. You know, you're not taking trucks off the cars or turning the cars over or manhandling them. Keeps things from getting broken. I found it a pretty foolproof system for me to use. It's kind of figured this one out just being in the hobby for the last 30 years. I just learned it through trial and error. But that's how you get your trucks clean on your cars. And you can do the same thing with your locomotives. Put the paper towel down on your track, wet an end of the paper towel, and then move your locomotive onto the track, and then turn the power on and let the truck spin on the paper towel, and it'll wipe off the crud and the residue off of your trucks on your locomotive. When I pull the locomotive off and take it out of service and put it into storage for a while, that's the first thing I do. So when I want to use it again, the trucks are ready to go. They're nice and clean, and I don't have to worry about having problems with that engine running down the line. Okay, so there's an FYI for you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.